and action.
The law of conservation of mass states that mass can either be created or destroyed. Matter can only change form but will still have the same amount of mass. This law can apply to all the types of chemical equations such as synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion. In synthesis, two or more substances can combine to create one substance, but both the reactants and products must have the same amount of atoms of each element. So they have the same amount of mass on both sides. In decomposition, a single compound is broken down into two or more simpler products. Even though you now have two or more simpler products, the mass will still be the same from the single compound. In a single replacement equation, an element replaces another element in a compound, but that does not change the mass. Same thing goes for a double replacement. Even though you switch the ions of the compounds, you still get the same mass. Combustion has a substance react with oxygen and produces energy in the form of heat or light, but the energy has the same mass as the reactants. The statement, "We are rapidly using up our natural resources," is an overstatement in my opinion. According to the law of conservation of mass, we can either create or destroy mass, so we'll have the mass one way or another. These different forms all go through different processes so that we are able to use them again, such as evaporation. Evaporation produces water vapor, which falls down as rain sooner or later and falls into rivers. The water is restored, and the kinetic energy of the flow of the river is used as wind for the turbines. Everything eventually restored itself.